Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Counter-Strike 2 lag, high ping and packet loss problem. Let's fix it guys. I recommend you follow all of these steps. First step, you just need to go to search menu and type cmd. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now check my video description for these commands used in my video. Just to copy and paste it one by one. After finishing all these commands, you just need to close stuff here and second step, you just need to go to search menu and type graphics settings. Click on open it. Select browse. Go to this PC local disk C program files x86. Find the Steam folder. Double click on the Steam folder. Find Steam apps folder. Double click on it. Now double click on the common folder. Now double click on the Counter-Strike folder. Game folder. Bin folder. Win64 folder. And select the cs2.exe and select add. After adding the game, select options and select high performance and select save changes option. And now just to close tab here. Third step, you just need to go to search menu and type network reset. Click on open it. Select the reset now option and select yes and reset your network settings. After that, just to close tab here and go ahead and restart a PC. After following these steps, you should be able to fix lag, high ping and pocket loss. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.